Alright, let's talk about how you can use the if function to pull data from a different column. So here we just have some very basic data. We have the business ID, the company name, industry, revenue, and number of employees. Now for whatever reason in this column here, or this range of cells, we want to display the revenue depending on a criteria. Here, if we have software indicated, we want each of these cells to only display the total revenue amount if it belongs to the software industry. And to do that, we'll simply select the first cell, types equals, we'll use our if statement here. Our logical test is going to be if this, and we're going to go ahead and anchor or lock that by hitting FN F4 on your keyboard. And if that didn't work, just add $2 like so. If that equals this cell here in the same row where the industry is located, if that's true, so that's our logical test, if that's true, comma, we want to display our revenue. If that's not true, or if that doesn't equal software, we'll hit quote, quote, end parenthesis. So basically what this formula is going to do is it's going to say, hey, is this criteria that I'm searching for software the same as this software here in the industry column? And if that's true, we'll display the monthly revenue. If not, we'll just leave it blank. We'll go ahead and hit enter. And then we can click and double click this square in the bottom right corner of the cell, or click and drag that to create the same formula. And we'll just turn this into currency here. And you'll notice that our if statement is now only pulling data based on the software criteria. If we change this to real estate, we notice that we have real estate here at 89,000 and here at 158,000. So when I hit enter, that should automatically update and display my real estate revenue amounts there. But there you have it. That's how you can use the if function in Excel to pull data from a different column. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button on your way out. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.